Hello and welcome to Wonderwild, where I'm going to be making a mini beast hotel. Before I start, don't forget to like us, subscribe to our channel and let us know what other videos you'd like us to make in the comments below. Well, what's a mini beast? Well, they're little creatures that live everywhere. They're like spiders and snails and insects. And where they live is called their habitat. So I'm going to make a habitat and encourage some mini beasts to come and live in my garden. I'm going to use some ordinary toilet rolls and some natural materials that I found in my garden. Some sticks and some grass and some bark, some moss, all sorts of things really. So all you do is you stuff your toilet roll full of your natural materials. And put some bark in, and put some grass, and some more sticks, some moss. One more. And I found an old broken gardening pot to make a roof. And there's my mini beast hotel. I'm going to find somewhere nice and quiet now to stick it into my garden, and hopefully some insects and mini beasts will want to come and live in there. Thanks for watching.